Hello! I've been told that a toddler's favorite word is no, but by the end of this, I hope your favorite word is I don't. That is, I don't agree to the terms and conditions. I want you all to close your eyes. Seriously, close your eyes and imagine that you hire somebody to come fix a sprinkler head in your backyard. But while he's there, he is snooping around your house. He looks through your plumbing, he's looking at your lighting, he even walks into your children's bedrooms. After he fixes the sprinkler head, he leaves and he sells all of your personal information. And then the next day, hordes of people are knocking at your door. Electricians, plumbers, babysitters, all demanding your attention and demanding you buy their product. Now open your eyes. These are the real consequences of us agreeing to the terms and conditions every day, blindlessly without thought. According to Business Insider, 97% of people 18 to 35 in the US never read the terms and conditions. In fact, you probably didn't know this, but in Windows 10, their terms and conditions stated, we will access, disclose, and preserve your personal content, such as the content in your emails, personal messages, and in your private folders. So iDon't would be a software that would analyze and synthesize all of the terms and conditions for you into understandable bullet points and bring to your attention anything that is suspicious. As more and more people start to download iDon't to their computers and mobile devices, we will ensure that large corporations aren't exploiting users like you and me. Thank you.